Hello everybody, welcome to the Magnetize review. My name is Carl Sorensen from financialfreedomacademics.com. Well, now we are on the inside of Magnetize, which is in a nutshell a product where Michael Black shows you how he made $72,000 or $120 a day with Fiverr. Well, I started my career on Fiverr and had a huge success there. I'm still a little bit on Fiverr, but I focus on other stuff, and I will give you as a bonus, as one of my bonuses, as are part of my bonus package, away my number one gig where I made a few $1,000s with, and that's actually our gig where you just push a button, because you just prepare our text, and then you just save the text and just click the button and deliver the gig. The gig is basically a PDF I will give you, and I will give you the marketing text, I will give you the picture for the gig, and also I will show you how you can improve your account by getting ratings. Very easy ratings, very easy 5-star ratings, and your further gigs will be at the top of the ranking on the listing. Whoa, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a very big platform, a freelancing platform where a lot of people are hanging around. I use it a lot for different stuff, but you can also use it on your own to make a lot of money. And in their new product, Magnetize, they will show you, like Michael Black will show you exactly how he did that. So we will go to the member area in a few minutes, but first of all I wanted to show you what kind of bonuses I'm offering you to help you to be better than everybody else. First of all, as I just told you, I will give you my insane 4-figure arbitrage gig, and this gig is basically a PDF I created, and I made a few $1,000s from this gig, and it's very easy to deliver. You just push a button, and I created a system that you will rank your account very high because you get a lot of 5-star rating then. So this will help you out a lot. I include the PDF, the text, the description text with keywords and everything, their picture, and so much more. So make sure to get this gig, as this will really help you out. So that's bonus number one. Actually, I should use it, but I'm focusing on other things. Like Fiverr was very good to me for my first years, but now I'm focusing on other things, so you can have it, enjoy it, make a lot of money from this, and yeah, do this. By the way, if you want to get the bonuses and Magnetize during this review, just feel free to click one of these buttons here on the page, and you will get the access to Magnetize and my bonus packages. It will be inside your Warrior Plus account when you have the receipt of your product. Below the button you will find my affiliate bonuses I will give you. So make sure to click the button, buy through my link, and get my insane bonus package, which will make you better than anybody else. You can have a look around and don't think that other people offer this value here. Anyway, that's my second bonus. My second bonus is the book Fiverr Gold, or the guide, which shows you how to scale it up to as much money as you want. Like their product and the training from Michael Black is awesome, but it will give you more advantage in building your Fiverr account. So make sure to check this out. Number 3 is my ultimate traffic guide. So a lot of people, they struggle with traffic, and I want to make sure that you get your traffic to your gigs, so that you will rank your gigs higher because you get a lot of traffic to your gigs, and also of course get more sales. My next bonus is my video marketing guide, and this will explain you how you can really crush it with video marketing, with YouTube marketing. Also, this will give you a lot of traffic because people love YouTube, and I will show you how you get the traffic from YouTube and how you do all the video marketing stuff. Next one is the guide Conversion Boost, like how you really improve your conversion. You can use it for your Fiverr gig description, like especially copywriting, like word sells, right? So make sure to boost your conversion by simple hacks you can apply here. So that's actually bonuses, but on my bonus page, I have a big surprise for you guys. And you should really check this out. Like, this is my bonus page, but I don't show you what I'm giving you as a surprise, right? You will love it, I can guarantee that, but make sure to check this out. Well, I only have 5 bonuses plus my surprises today, but I think especially the first bonus will blow you away because you will get my gig, my number 1 gig, right? So that's very cool. Now, let's have a look at the product. Let's go to the member area first. It's basically a very simple member area. We have 4 videos. First one is your first Magnetize campaign, how to set it and forget it. I love like stuff with low effort, like just push a button and give something away. That's the best thing, the best gig you can have on Fiverr, right? What sells the very best? Very cool stuff. The 3 mistakes you must avoid. And then we have the huge PDF 45 pages, and personally I prefer PDF way more than I like videos, because I'm very good in reading and in speed reading, so I get way more information out of PDFs than from video, and that's why I really love PDFs, and I don't like videos that much. But I know that most people like videos a lot, so they have both here, videos and PDFs. I would go for the PDF, but it's up to you. The PDF guide will explain everything, how to set it up, how to scale it, what gigs you need, what you need to rock your sales, and so much more. So that's very cool. I think they have some bonus materials somewhere, but I don't know where. No, They have somewhere. You will find it. So let's go to the sales page real quick. Here's the claim. Now you can bank $120 a day quickly and easily using my proven Magnetize method. Well, I don't think you will make $120 in the first 24 hours, but if like in everything, like when you just take action on it and apply what you learn there, you will do that. And especially with my bonus, you can achieve the $120 or way more a day very soon. Yeah, that's our usual sales page, a bit of proof here. Don't take this personally, Bill, but I don't really like your sales pages because they're very simple, but it's about the product, right? And I think this is a great product, how everybody can rock it on Fiverr. A lot of people, they don't like Fiverr for some reason, but Fiverr was very, very good to me, and I think it could be very, very good to you guys. Okay, so what are the upsells inside Magnetize? And please don't tell anybody, or especially not the vendors of this product, but I will tell you that every product here have a downsell. So when you click the button on the bottom of the page, there's a link. We say no thank you, I will pass, or no thank you, I don't need done for you material. you get a downsell. You save $10, you save $20. Do not tell anybody that I told you that, but yeah, you should use the downsells, right? Okay. What is OTO number one? OTO number one is Magnetize, done for you too. It's $37 downsells, $27. This is a done for you tool, which is extremely powerful and can be used side by side with the main Magnetize product. They sold this recently for $97, so this is a juicy $60 discount, or $70 for you now on this. I have no idea what's about, but you can try. It's actually very cheap. But I gave you some done for you material, my bonuses, so you can check this. Full resale rights to Magnetize, it's $47, down to $27. Yep, especially at this price, you should get that, because it's a full funnel and you can make a lot of money if you just sell it as your own product. So especially when you just pay $27, I know that the most product creators, they sell way more, or they charge way more than $100. It's just $27 here. How to bank insane 5-figure days. This is it's $27 down to $17. This is very powerful 5-figure day system that I have only reviewed in their top level programs. So for them to let this go for only $27 is crazy. I bought this like a few months ago, and it was really cool to see what they're doing, and I think you should check it out, definitely. And OTO number 4 is a bias list method, simply $300 a day plus a bias list. You don't need that because I have a bonus on my side. I think I forgot to put it into the bonus area at the bottom of this page, but I have another bonus on this page, on my bonus page, where I show you how to get buyer traffic for free. So I don't think you need OTO number 4. Sorry that I forgot to put the listing from the bonus on this page, but you have a bonus from my side, how you get buyer traffic, free buyer traffic. I create a video for you, so you don't need OTO number 4. I covered you with my bonus. So as I said, you only need, if you got the money, which is not a lot, it's just a few bucks, you should get the full resale rights and OTO number 3, how to bank insane 5-figure days. So if you get both downsells, it's just $44 for the upsells, right? And the front end product is, I think it's $12. So very cheap stuff here, very powerful stuff, especially with my bonuses. So make sure, if you like it, to click any of these buttons on my page, and most important, take action on what you learn. And sorry for not listing my free buyer traffic bonus. I will put it on the bonus page right now, and you will love what you get, right? So I wish you all the best. Carl.